Korean star Park Hyung-sik is all praise for BTS V says, Taehyung is always in high spirits, strong girl. Soon star Park Hyung-sik recently showered praise on BTS member V. He mentioned how the idol vocalist keeps the spirit of the group high. South Korea's popular actor and idol. Park Hyung-sik was last seen in her blooming youth. The actor is known for his acting prowess, and is also one of the members of the Wooga Squad. Wooga Squad comprises of 5 members, including Park Seo-jun, Choi Woo, Shikpit Boy, BTS member V and Hyun-sik recently in an interview. The actor spoke about Taehyung and appreciated him for being the person who brings in a lot of energy on sets. Being candid about his relationship with BTS member Kim Taehyung. He told K-Media Taehyung is always in high spirits, moves around a lot and is a mood maker. They appeared on In the Soup frying Taehyung together. Speaking of his relationship with the squad, Park Hyung-sik had earlier expressed how much he adores each member of the group and she rises each one of them. He told India Today earlier, they are my true friends. They are the ones I turn to not only in difficulties but also in times of laughter and tears. Altogether, the Wooga Squad is always supportive of each other. Trying Sik's warm side was apparent during In the Soup episodes as well. His camaraderie with V is undeniably fun and adorable. During the interview, Park Hyung-sik was asked about his thoughts on BTS and the individual members in particular. He was questioned about his relationship with V and the impression he had about the talented artists. Park Hyung-sik did not hold back in showering V with compliments, revealing that he greatly admires his positive outlook on life and his ability to uplift those around him. Taehyung is always in high spirits. Park Hyung-sik remarked with a smile. All his energy is truly remarkable and contagious. Whenever we meet, he exudes this incredible aura that instantly brightens up the room. It's impossible not to be affected by his positive vibes. Park Hyung-sik went on to highlight V's unwavering passion for his craft and his dedication to creating meaningful music that resonates with people worldwide. He praised V's artistic sensibilities, describing him as a multifaceted talent who effortlessly captures the essence of emotions through his performances. The actor-singer also shared anecdotes about their interactions, emphasizing V's warm and genuine nature. According to Park Hyung-sik, V's infectious laughter and caring attitude make him an absolute joy to be around. He credited V's personality for creating a harmonious and supportive atmosphere within their professional circle. As members of the entertainment industry, Park Hyung-sik and V have shared mutual respect and support for each other's work. Park Hyung-sik expressed his admiration for BTS as a whole, acknowledging their impact on the global music scene and their ability to inspire millions of fans worldwide. Wrapping up the interview, Park Hyung-sik extended his heartfelt wishes for V's continued success, stating Taehyung is not just a talented artist, but also an amazing person. I have no doubt that he will continue to shine brightly, and whatever he pursues, his energy and positivity are truly something special. With Park Hyung-sik's words, it is evident that V's charismatic personality and unwavering passion have made a lasting impression on those who have had the pleasure of working with him. As BTS continues to make waves in the music industry, V's infectious spirit continues to inspire not only his bandmates but also fellow artists, solidifying his position as a beloved and influential figure in the Korean entertainment industry.